Welcome to Educative Curve. This is Somrita and today we will learn about agreement of the verb with the subject. Okay? So see, this is a sentence, right? He is playing with the bat. Here, he is the subject, is the auxiliary verb or the helping verb as we learned earlier in the other videos, right? And playing is the main verb and bat is the object. This is obviously the preposition and this is the article. So see, a verb always has two things, a subject and the object. So, the verb always agrees to its subject. Now, which kind of subject will the verb agree to? That is what we'll learn in this video. Okay? See, rule number 1. A singular subject takes a singular verb and vice versa. That means a singular subject will take a singular verb and the plural subject will take a plural verb. For example, the list of items is on the desk. Now, even though we see and we think that items must be the noun over here, but here the noun is actually the list. The subject of the verb is the list over here. So see, since list is a singular subject, we are using is as the verb. It's a singular verb. Okay? The quality of the mangoes was not good. Now we may think that it is an incorrect sentence. The sentence should have been the quality of the mangoes were not good, but here the subject is quality, not the mangoes. Okay? So we are using was. Quality is one item, a singular item. Here list is a singular item and so we are using is. If we would have written it like this, the lists of item, then it would have been are on the desk. Okay? So lists of items are and list of item is. Okay? Okay. So rule number 2 is that two singular subjects connected by or either or and neither nor requires a singular verb. Okay? So see, when we connect two subjects, singular subjects by or either nor, we actually refer to either one of the subjects. So the idea gives single subject. Okay? See, when you say my uncle or aunt is arriving by train, that means either the uncle or the aunt. Any one of the persons are arriving by the train. Okay? So this is why we use or with is. Okay? Now see, neither Joan nor Carmen is here. That means we are speaking of Joan or Carmen, any one of them. We are not speaking of the two of them together. This is why the subject is singular and hence we use is, the singular verb. Okay? See, either Kiana or Casey is helping today. So, either Kiana will come or Casey will come. Together, they will not come. So, the subject here is also singular and hence, so will be the verb. Singular subject, singular verb. We learned about two of the rules. Now, the third rule. It says, the verb in the or, either or, neither or sentence agrees with the subject nearest to it. That means in this kind of sentences, whichever subject is nearest to this verb, the verb will agree to it. See the sentence. Neither the plates nor the serving bowl goes on the shelves. Okay, see. Plates is one subject over here and serving bowl is another subject over here. And goes is the verb over here. Okay. Plates is a plural noun. Okay. So the verb should have been plural. But Since serving bowl here is singular and this subject is closer to the verb, so the verb will be singular. That means bowls. Okay? In this I can see either he or I am to blame. Okay? Now we all know that he is the third person. So after he either is or was goes, and after I, since I is the first person, am goes. Okay? Since I is nearer to the verb, so the verb will agree with I and not with he. So I am to blame. Either he or I am to blame. It will not be either he or I is to blame. It will always be either he or I am to blame. Okay? So, these are the 3 rules that I taught you today. In the upcoming consecutive videos, I'll teach you more rules of agreement of the verb with the subject. So, that is it for today. So, please like, share, comment, click the bell option for notification, and please subscribe to our channel for more videos on grammar and spoken English. And please see the description box. There will be an exercise given on this topic that I taught today. And thank you very much.